Hello. Hello. Something seems to be working now. Hello, can you hear this? Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Well, I've got one green bar, and I didn't have a green bar before, so I think this is working. I think people now who log on can hear me. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out. So, come on, GCSE chemists. Come on, get involved. I know now how to sort this out. So, the student determined the rate of reaction at regular intervals during an experiment. Explain why the rate decreased during the reaction. The reason the rate, people, decreased pretty much during any reaction is because at the start, you've got lots of reactants. And as time progresses, you have less and less reactants. So the concentration decreases. If you've got less concentration of reactants, you're going to have a much lower rate of reaction. So can you hear me? I've got a viewer. We have a viewer. Hi, my microphone's not been working for the last 10 minutes. I eventually got it working. So if you want to learn some chemistry, say hello in the chat and we'll do some chemistry. So chromatography is used to separate mixtures. It involves a mobile phase and another phase. What is the other phase in chromatography? What do we think? The other phase. Let's have a countdown timer. Everyone loves a countdown timer. We will do something fun in 20 minutes. That's why I've got the countdown timer there, people. Tell me in the chat, what do you think the other phase is in chromatography? So we've got a mobile phase. What is the other phase? What do you think? Is it A, B, C, or D? The other phase in chromatography is the one that doesn't move. The mobile phase moves. The stationary phase stays completely still. Why do the substances in the mixture separate in the mobile phase? What do we think, people? Why do they separate? The reason why substances separate in chromatography is because they have different solubilities. Different solubilities. Did you know that, chat? I think you did. How many spots will be produced on the chromatogram of a pure compound? You've got a pure compound. There will only be one spot, chat, all day long. In a chromatography experiment, a blue cover moved 4.77 centimeters. The solvent moved 5.3. What's the RF value? Well, RF is the distance moved by the spot, which is 4.77, over the distance moved by the solvent, which is 5.3. And you don't need to do anything else other than work that out, and that will give you a number, and that number would be the correct answer. The method used by the student did not give valid results. Describe one improvement the student could make to obtain valid results. What do you think they could have done, chat? What do you think they could have done? Do we know? Do we know? I reckon I stop the live and start it again.